it hurts me to have to start a video this way, but we're gonna have to do a little bit of a funeral / memorial before I start this video for my $5 that I wasted on a purple hair dyeing kit. As a lot of you guys probably know, for those of you guys who've watched me for a long time, I've been wanting to dye my hair different colors. Silver, I've tried. Purple, I tried today. Having dark brown hair doesn't lend itself to having dyeable hair unless you completely destroy your hair by bleaching it first. So today, we are gathered here to mourn my $5 that I spent buying this purple hair dyeing kit, hoping with all hope that it would at least turn purple the hair strands that were bleached a few months ago. But it didn't. It just turned it black. I would like for you guys to close your eyes, take a moment. $5. I did not spend you well. I should know by now, after living on this earth for 32 years with dark brown hair, that nothing I do to it does anything to it. Whether it's red, blue, green, the colors of the rainbow, doesn't matter. Nothing will stick to this brown hair. I'm sorry I made bad choices with you, $5. You could have been like a vending machine drink. You could have been an onigiri, my lunch for work. But instead, I wasted you away on a purple hair dyeing kit that I knew wasn't gonna work. Amen. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, I'm making this quick video. This is just a quick video that I wanted to put together because I got some announcements, y'all. We got some stuff to talk about. Well, one stuff. Let's just say one thing that we need to talk about. Elephant in the room I'd like to talk about. You guys see that? You guys see that right there? That's a new addition to my little aesthetic in the back. That right there was something my friend gave me for having completed 399 days of daily vlogging. Isn't she amazing? She got that custom made for me. She found it on Etsy. It's okay. You can't see it because it's blurred out, but it says Kit Zakimi on the side there. Isn't it great? Eventually, hopefully, one day it'll be sitting next to my silver play button if I ever hit 100,000 subscribers. Although I gotta even hit the 1,000 mark. I haven't even gotten that far yet. So y'all better be smashing that subscribe button because I gotta get to that 1K. I don't have social media anymore. If I ever want to communicate with you guys, I need that community tab that they only unlock when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So be mashing that shit. But anyways, she got me there, and that's sweet. Thank you, Kate. I love you. As some of you guys know, I have been mentioning this mini documentary that I filmed back in March of last year, or maybe it was February, with a gentleman named John. Maybe it was January. Actually, it might have been January or February. I don't know. It's been a while. It's been over a year and a half. And I filmed it back in 2020, early 2020, that I was gonna make into a mini doc. The problem is when you're putting out a video every single day, there's very little time to work on projects that are bigger, which is one of the reasons why I stopped doing a daily video, because I wanted time to work on other projects. Now I upload on this channel maybe 3 times a week. One is, Talking Tuesdays. Every once in a while I'll upload something on Sundays, which I call Surprise Sundays, and then obviously my Freaky Friday videos, which I have been enjoying. But producing one Freaky Friday video is actually very time consuming between the research, the writing of the script, the filming, the editing, and then on top of that having a full-time job. It takes me a week to get one video. I still don't have time to work on any other side projects. But one thing that I didn't take into consideration was that I can miss a day. I can miss uploads now. Like it's up to me. When I was doing daily videos, I couldn't miss a day. Like I was never ever gonna miss a day. That was the whole point of doing a daily video, was to make sure that I put out a video a day for at least a year. And I achieved that. But now that I'm not doing that and I'm not tying myself to that kind of strict schedule, I can change the schedule at my own whim, needs. And that revelation just happened to me and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I can. So now I can take a step back and work on whatever project that I want to if I need to. I can miss a Freaky Friday upload. I can miss a Talking Tuesday. Like, that's okay. So this video is basically telling you for the next week or two, you might not see me upload a talkin' vlogin, a Sunday whatever that I do on Sundays, or a Freaky Friday. I'm gonna take the next week to 2 weeks to actually finally finish this John Showline documentary. It's kind of a nice, refreshing feeling, you know? For the first time, I feel like I'm using my time that I intended. I have this tendency to corner myself in this schedule and stress myself out. And those are just habits from having done a video every single day for the last year of 2020. And I forget sometimes that I'm not tied to that anymore. Like, I don't have that strict schedule. So if I need to work on a project and take more time with that project, I can do it now. And it's a fantastic feeling. So that's what I'm gonna do. So the next time you see me, it'll be on the John Showline documentary. Like I said, give me about a week or two to work on it. That's the only project that I'm gonna be working on for the next week or two. I know a lot of you guys are like, finally! That's what we subscribed to you for originally. Well, thank you for waiting that long. So I will see you guys in a couple weeks. I love you guys. Peace. Bye. Boop.